Today we are opening the BF Interlocking Tower. This is another milestone for the Bradford Ohio Railroad Museum of preserving the railroad heritage of the Bradford Junction. The BF Tower was a structure that was the last operation on the rail line that served Bradford from 1855 to 1985. It was put on the National Register of Historic Places in 1992, and we wish to thank all of our donors for making this possible. You are an invaluable partner with this preservation effort. We thank all of our contributors, and I won't even try to thank them. There are just too many to mention, and we'd be here all day. So I think let's cut the ribbon and open the tower and let you see what you've all created.
Oh, I think this is great. The exhibit people did a great job, and I think it's really fantastic. They did a real nice job on it. It tells the story of the people that worked on the railroad. That's what we wanted.
Both the museum and the switching tower really provide an opportunity for the younger generation to understand the story of the railroad and how important it was to the development of Bradford. A lot of the panels highlight who were the individuals who worked on the railroad or in the switching tower and what tools did they use as part of their trade. When you go through these spaces, you read about the various individuals involved in the railroad. That's an important part of the visitor's experience, is really understanding why was the railroad so important. Many small communities don't have the opportunity to develop museums like this. So to be able to see it completed and to see visitors really enjoy it is quite rewarding for me.
I was telling my buddy when we saw the pipeline still existing outside, very little of that left. It gives a lot of history on the mechanical end of doing things before computers and whatnot. And I like the semaphores and the precision lights and all that. And especially that they're powered is especially nice.
I think this is fantastic. Gosh, there's enough people doing this. You know, and it's a big part of the United States heritage that is just going away all the time. It's hate to see that happen.
The Bradford Ohio Railroad Museum is a great place to go. It's a museum about the people that lived in Bradford and worked on the railroad. And the railroad was a way of life in Bradford for many years.
Come and take a look and see how we got to where we are today. That's what you're going to learn when you learn about the railroads. You're going to learn about people, you're going to learn about history, you're going to learn about communication, technology, industry. That's why you come. You come to see something that you can't get anywhere else.